Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me.
Kasi sabi ni Darren kanina, he considers you one of his closest best friends. Anong vitamin ang pinaka-okay para kay Darren?
Okay, bye.
Back to you!
Oh, diba?
Sa 5 vitamins available, ano yung pinakamabisang vitamin para kay Darren? Para sa'yo.
Ito vitamin? Parang, doon ata sa sa vitamin C. Mas natural.
Oh! Cheers! Happy birthday to
you!
Happy birthday to you!
Galing. With that, we thank you so much, Kyle.
Isa pa na may jowa. Si Darren.
Bakit ako? Ano naman sa akin, Edward?
Hindi pa. Baka papunta pa lang, Edward. Huwag na natin silang guluhin.
Oo, kasi kaka-collab lang eh. Kumusta yung collab mo?
Okay naman, masaya. Kasi we still found a way to be able to make the video kahit I'm in Canada and she's in the Philippines. So ayun, masaya naman. Maraming salamat at napanood mo din. So ayun. Sana naman mga collab ko din kayo soon.
Gusto kong ipahiwatig yung collaboration mo sa ASAP. Ano ba yung gusto mong...
Hindi, Kuya Robby. Wala na. Nasabi mo na eh. Panindigan na natin yung sinasabi mong call.
Panindigan na pala.
Ha?
So, papanindigan mo? Si Cassie?
Tara na.
Bye-bye na lang.
Okay. Ang hula ko kay Darren, hindi pa rin siya uuwi ng Pilipinas. Kasi
Oy, grabe buong taon. Kinuha ba ako sa'yo, Maymay?
Wala. Hula ko kay Darren, may mapipili na siya sa 5 vitamins niya.
3 months o 4 months?
For all the people watching, sino ba yung you?
Sino ba yung you?
Sa All I Want for Christmas.
First letter.
First letter?
First letter.
Yung first letter ng Christmas. Ay! Nasabi!
First letter ng...
Ng Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas po sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin. I think that's it. We can end the program with that revelation.
Cassie is a good friend and she's yun nga, parang someone who I can just say anything to, like without judgment and everything, and we're always there to listen to one another, and yeah. Okay.
She's my sunshine in the rain, my Tylenol when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Like a tall glass of lemonade when it's burning hot on summer days. She's exactly what I need.
For more videos, subscribe to and click the bell for more updates.
Oh, you meant the world to me.